Rocky's blacked out. 13's ahead of me. Just past the 144. Speed's over 100. Catching up right now. Down 13's primary. Coming up on the 142. Speed's about 127. Go ahead and run now. Big rover.
Wrecked out. Hey, somebody grab a fire extinguisher, put that out. I didn't see anybody bail out of this car, but they went down this embankment. Let's move up and clear it together.
There was 3 people in the car.
3 people?
Yeah, 3.
All right, they're probably pretty messed up. I see an elbow there, elbow there.
Yeah.
Well, you see in that back window, you're going to have best shot.
Looks like the driver and front passenger laid on top of each other.
Yeah.
The driver's laying across the back seat.
Hey, y'all got left foot, I'm gonna cut these bags off.
Yep, hang on. 813 Little Rock started at 1016. Possibly 3 of them. We got 3 individuals in the vehicle.
I got legal here if you want to help him.
Okay.
Hey, stop moving.
All right, I'm going to cross the button.
Stop moving.
Yep. I'm going back with him. I'll hold back with him.
Hang on.
Man, if you can hear me, sit up, put your hands up.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be pretty messed up. Hang on, I'm gonna come right through here. So.
How y'all doing tonight?
No?
Better than they are. Let me see if I can't grab my Halligan.
Whatever.
Yeah.
If they've got trauma to the trunk, they need to be extricated.
Hey, watch out for that gun. I'm about to cross face. What we got?
Yeah, wide open crossing forward.
Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 individuals?
West and wide open. Ma'am, hold still. Ma'am, keep your hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
Levanta tu mano. Señora. Levanta tu mano.
Señorita, señorita, manos.
Hey.
Manos.
Hey, manos arriba. Are they?
Everybody in the car is going to need to be extricated at this point.
Yeah, that's fine.
Dude, let's put the engine. Let me get an extinguisher there.
Yeah, I got it. Hold on. Hey guys, I wouldn't start moving anybody out of that car until rescue gets here.
I'm trying to get the door
just because they're pretty banged up.